Welcome to 405 Ads. We thank you for visiting our website and wanting to work with us. We're a team of developers, marketers, and business consultants. So, one of the reasons why people choose us is because we develop a plan that we have data to back it up, and we implement that plan with developers and with marketers, whether it's on social media, on your website, or on Google. We have a team that can get that done. Here with me is Dave. Dave is a project manager, so he's one of the client's point of contact if you were to call us and work with us. Dave, what is it you do exactly?
Well, the good thing about the things that I do is I'm both project manager, but also one of the people that actually work on your account. So I'm not just someone that's taking your directions or feeding our strategy from a further team to you. I actually know what's going on. So if you talk to us, it all makes sense because I've seen the things going on or have done them myself. So when you speak with us, it's as if you're speaking with the whole team. So that's always a nice thing, especially for clients and for myself, because I wouldn't want to be, oh, I have no idea how to answer this. That would be bad for everyone.
How I think of it. Well, if you call a big agency, you might get a messenger, you might get a secretary, you might get a person who's just going to pass a note along to someone else who's going to pass a note to someone else. When you call us, we're trained to actually do the work, but at the same time, because we do a lot of things, we have people that do the work with us in house. So when you contact us, and if you're a business and you need something done on your website, social media, ads, or whatever it is, we know how to talk the talk because we do that for a living. But at the same time, we have a team that's also beneath us that works with us. So you're not going to be talking to any messengers. You're not going to be talking to any secretaries. When you call us, you're actually talking to someone who does the work, who's involved in the project. So there's clear communication, and we're both project managers. And we look forward to helping businesses like you who want to grow your presence online, whether it's your first time using online marketing or if you just want to go and take the extra step to grow your business because you're tired of being in that constant struggle of seeing what it takes to go to the next level. So call us and we look forward to working with you.